In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can transfer data between your mobile phone and your PC or laptop without using any cable. Yes, you heard that right. You can transfer photos, videos, files, or folders wirelessly from your phone to your PC and from your PC back to your phone. I'll show you the easiest and fastest method to do this. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. And if you face any issues, let me know in the comments. Now, let's start the process. First, on your Android phone, you need to download an application. Open the Play Store and search for ShareMe. You'll see the app with a blue logo. Install it and then open the app. Agree to the terms. It will ask for some permissions. Allow them. After opening ShareMe, you'll see a simple interface. Tap on the Thrillin menu in the top corner. Now select the option Share to PC. After that, tap on Start. You'll see two options: Portable and Password Protected. For now, select Portable and tap OK. After this, you'll see an FTP address displayed on your phone screen. Note this address. Now move to your computer. Open this PC or File Explorer. At the top, click on the address bar. Now, type the FTP address exactly as shown on your phone, starting with FTP. After typing it, press Enter. Once you press Enter, your phone's storage will open on your computer screen. You can now see all your phone files and folders. Now just drag and drop the file that you want to send to the PC. Now, if you want to send any file to your phone, the easiest way is to first create a new folder on your phone's storage and name it Z1. We use this name because it will always appear at the bottom of the folder list, making it easy to find later. After creating the folder, go to your PC and copy the file you want to send to your phone. For example, I want to send these videos, so I'll copy them. Then click on the address bar in File Explorer, where you entered the FTP address earlier, and click on it. This will open your phone's folders again. Now, simply paste the file into the Z1 folder. That's it. You can now open your phone's storage and easily access the file from there. Now, there is one very important thing you need to remember. Your phone and PC must be connected to the same network. If you're using Wi-Fi, both devices should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Only when both devices are on the same network, this method will work. If you found this video helpful, then like it and subscribe to the channel.